Yeah, guys, before getting into this, let me just give you an update about Lester Sabokelne. Number one, uKaya bamtholile, uboshiwe. The age of the guy is 38 years old, right? Amantombazana 2, the other one is 21, the other one is 22, right? Number two, the community Yasemamilodi went to the house or the home of that guy, they burned the house. Mara, here's an interesting fact. Go and check the house that the community burned versus the 10,000 that they claim he spent 10,000 it doesn't add up. The class of that guy, it doesn't match the amount that he could spend for alcohol and away. Number two, there's a last video that has been shared on social media, Facebook. Go and check the type of a place that those people are grooving at. 10,000 I spend because the last video by Sherile, those two girls, Bapeme Habli, Gunabu Istroppers Nyana, then Connie Gordons, Esipodlela. That's the last number that they had. I'm saying Motenga is 6. A Istroppers. Let's assume what he ends at 500 or 600, right? Utenga 12. Right? Or Utenga E24, Istroppers. How much is it? So the story 10,000, it's out of line for the girls, right? It's just an assumption because always say to Benzabo, Bebaloguba, Vela Bapetutua. Here's the other thing. There have been WhatsApp messages that has been shared, especially with Facebook. The true story is that one of the two, Angas which 21 or 22, was dating the 38 years old guy. So mind you, do you see the age difference? Vele izobanama insecurities and controlling and wara. But apparently they were having some conflicts, bangazwani. Then I don't know, the 22 or the 21 sent a message to the other one, to the cousin. Yeah, but if it's the 21 who was dating the 38, that means the 21 sent to the 22. Artie, this guy, just saying the boyfriend with I, he's starting to act up. Yeah, but we are acting. They were starting to quarrel. Yeah, but so apparently they wanted to separate. Then this one decided, I'm going to be Zeloyana Lomageza. This one, because he wanted to be Zeloyan, then he shot this one allegedly. He shot this one. So that second one died because he witnessed the death. This guy was panicky. So the place where they found them, it's not the place, a incident, where the incident occurred. He just took them and threw them there. So it was just an assumption for me. Numbing I call with I 10,000. But as I see, it's also a court case, my